Bill Henshaw here again, youwinnincourt@gmail.com, and yet another video with all this COVID crap going on. And this is a follow-up to the videos I've done on what Trump says are going to be compulsory vaccinations. Federal military are going to come to your door, needles in hand, and want to vaccinate you and your children. Now, we have a window to take some action here. We can set administrative records, and I'm going to be doing a petition to the 90 Farts, aka the U.S. Supreme Court. And I think we can beat them. They've really overextended themselves. If we have a constitution and right to trial by jury, this is virtually a no-brainer. In the meantime, those of you that want to consult counsel, quote unquote, aka a state bar association attorney, ask them to explain to you why or why not that a case like Jacobson v. Massachusetts would apply in this situation and give the government any authority to do what they're claiming they can do, noting it's my position, based on the Constitution, that Trump, even acting as commander-in-chief of the armed forces, and even in wartime, which we're not known to be, lacks that authority. It isn't how it works. If they're going to tell you Jacobson does in a case called Zucht v. King, 260 U.S. 274, I believe, if they're going to claim those are precedents that support it, then I would ask them to prove on the record in writing exactly why. And they won't be able to do it. And what you should do is walk out the door. You want to try another attorney, ask them the same question, but you're probably not going to find one that will even know. And maybe you've never heard of either of these cases. Jacobson is pretty well known. But the point is, all these damn attorneys have irreconcilable conflicts of interest with the Constitution and our rights secured by the Constitution. They're going to go along with the game plan, take as much money out of you as they can get, and know going in there's virtually a zero chance to get any help here. The way they do it, 14th Amendment BS due process, I haven't seen a case that would even come close to winning against claims that we're facing now with this vaccination. So if they can do that, I'd love to hear it and they'll be out there. So go consult them, get back to me. And by the way, send information to get information that I use and the issues, the unopposed issues that I use. Send me an email at youwinnincourt@gmail.com. You can go in there prepared and explain to them you have someone here who sees things a lot differently. What you don't do is give many of my copyrighted work. That's not, it's not how we do things. But you tell them you have an 82-page brief on the admission of new states you're ready to present in defense of your children and stop these bastards. If we have states and we have the Constitution, then they can't do any of this. It's way beyond the power of the federal government. Even Hamilton, I think, couldn't even have dreamed of this, and that's saying something. So that said, as I said, send me an email, youwinnincourt@gmail.com. Like the videos, subscribe, tell your friends. The more people we get out there contesting, especially this issue, the quicker we're going to beat these bastards and shut them down. Thank you.